Secretary Gilbert, who heads NDRMC, went there yesterday. He was planned. We had scheduled for him to come here, but instead he had to go to Cebu. We are still assessing the damage there, but the earthquake was very strong. Pagka yung mga ganyang klaseng numbers, that's a very big number already. So we're assessing the damage, we're assessing the needs na pangangailangan. We are here now because Masbate was completely hit. Suffered a solid hit from Opong. They were only recovering. They were still recovering from Emong. Tinamaan na nito. So severe damage talaga ang nangyari. Ang problema, some of the services have been interrupted. Although the hospital continues to function, yung kuryente baka matagalan pa ng konti. But because we have to be very sure that it's safe bago natin i-on ang kuryente. Yung mga sa DSWD na mga assistance, cash assistance at saka food packs, kumpleto naman tayo. Nakapag-respond sila within less than 24 hours, nandito na sila. Because we already knew that kailangan magpa-reposition ng mga food packs, etc. So that's all right. We have food packs, we have hygiene packs, the DOH is continuing to go through the evacuation centers to make sure that everybody is okay. At gagamutin yung mga iba. They have come, nagdala na rin sila ng gamot para doon sa mga nangangailangan ng gamot. I think that we have attended to most of the problems. Yung pinakamalaking problema na hindi pa natin bigyan ng atensyon, yung kakulangan ng cash. Dahil hindi makapag-withdraw yung tao. Dahil sarado yung mga bangko, walang kuryente, walang internet. So, that's the problem that we have to solve now. Paano makapag-provide ng para makapag-withdraw, hindi naman ito cash assistance para makapag-withdraw yung tao ng sarili nilang pera sa bangko. And that's what we have to do. Mukhang ang solusyon ay talagang magdadala tayo rito ng napakaraming cash. So, yun ang isusunod namin. Yun ang pinakakulang na hindi pa namin nagagawa at all. Hindi namin alam. Sa ibang lugar hindi naging problema yan . Although it's ngayon problema ngayon dito sa Masbate. They're going all the way to Legazpi to withdraw money. Kung saan-saan pumupunta.